friends, welcome back to my channel and let's start our today's drawing. First we will draw one curved line like this, downward curved line, and from here again one curved line we will draw till here. Okay, and now from this point we are going to draw one bending line, then we will join here, and we will draw one more line like this, and 1, 2, 3 curved lines I will draw. And join here. We'll draw the big eyes. And one curve line here. Now I am going to draw the legs of the bird. Curved lines here, and from here I will draw 1, 2, and 3. Draw small circles here. Then I will draw a line like this. Our drawing is ready. Now let's color. So here our drawing is ready. Children, if you want more videos like this, you can like, share and subscribe my channel, and also you can write in the comment section what to draw for the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.